Illegal wildlife trafficking is a booming black market business worth an estimated 6.6 to 21.9 billion euros a year. Delegates at the 20th CITES conference in Samarkand, Uzbekistan, laid out the scale of the crisis, as over 40,000 species are currently threatened. As it was explained, conservation teams and border agents are fighting back with an arsenal of new tech, from digital tracking tools to cutting-edge science.
More and more there's drones being used to be able to monitor animals in the various ecosystems in which they are present, to be able to count and to be able to also see if there's any criminality being involved there.
Across Central Asia, national agencies ramp up their use of accessible conservation technology.
Мы успешно внедрили смарт в Узбекистане, Киргизской Республике, по всей Центральной Азии, в том числе и в Туркменистане. Вы можете ее программировать для своих нужд, для определенной территории. Умная фотоловушка, которую может искусственный интеллект может распознавать, получать нарушения, болезни и реагировать на нетипичное поведение животных. И в реальном времени отправлять вам информацию.
New tools also reshape how communities and inspectors work together.
Hozirgi kunda platformalarimiz raqamlashtirilgan, hamma narsa elektronda olib boriladi. Agroko'makchi mobil platformamizni inspektor chaqiruv tugmasini bosadi, hududni tanlaydi. Inspektorlarimiz shu zahoti yetib boriladi. Agar o'sha yerda birorta kasallik yoki zararkunanda aniqlanadigan bo'lsa, laboratoriyalarimiz bor. Kasallik zararkunanda hammasi bo'yicha tekshiruvlarni, analizlarini tayyorlab beradi.
While animals are monitored through AI and aerial tools, plant science also steps into a digital and molecular era.
Hozirgi kunda bizda aynan botanika institutimizda Tree of Life O'zbekiston loyihasi bo'yicha 700 ta o'simlikni DNK bazasi saqlanmoqda va bu O'zbekiston hududi 4,5 mingta, O'rta Osiyo hududi 9 mingta ortiq turga erishmoqchimiz. Hozir yana Raman spektroskopiya yordamida kimyoviy hamda DNK ma'lumotlarining bazasini integratsiyalab olib, sun'iy intellekt yordamida kichkina 200 grammli apparat yordamida o'simliklarni aniqlash usullarini taklif qilyapmiz.
Satellite data, tablets, drones, and handheld analyzers, now from one connected ecosystem. These tools speed up nature protection, they sharpen detection, help stop crime, and also support long-term biodiversity research.